Hi, I'm Matt, and we're excited to get started on your new permanent lighting system. Before installation day, here's a quick rundown of what you can expect. First, make sure the area around your home is clear. Things like lawn decor, patio furniture, or seasonal decorations should be moved so our crew has easy access to your soffits. On installation day, you don't need to be home the entire time, but we do recommend being available for a few minutes. That way we can connect your system and walk through how everything works before we leave. Your Trimlight system connects to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. If your signal isn't strong enough, no worries. We can provide a Wi-Fi extender for a small fee or help you connect using Trimlight's built-in Wi-Fi signal. Because we're working outdoors, weather can sometimes affect scheduling. If conditions change, our team will reach out right away to update your install date. During installation, our crew may need access to your garage or attic, and in some cases we'll run a small surface-mounted wire channel to complete the connection. We always do our best to make this as clean and seamless as possible. You might have soffit outlets or security cameras near where we're installing. We'll do everything we can to work around them. If anything needs to be adjusted, we'll discuss it with you on site. Once we're finished, our team does a full cleanup and inspection to make sure your property looks great. Just be cautious walking barefoot until we've confirmed every metal scrap has been cleared away. And finally, as a reminder, payment is due when the work is complete. So if you're paying by cash or check, you can give that directly to the crew. If you're using a card or financing, you'll receive an electronic invoice. Thanks again for choosing us. We're looking forward to lighting up your home soon.